for it.
So today we're going to be looking at reducing fractions. Here we see that we have 5/10. 5/10. 5 is our numerator, tenths is our denominator. And when we're reducing, what we're going to be doing is using less fraction pieces, but writing the same thing. So for example, if we take our fourths, we see that 5/10 is also equal to 2/4, which is also equal to 1/2. This is called reducing. But what do we do when we're reducing with a number that doesn't have fraction pieces that we can use? That's what we're going to be learning today. For example, what if we had 15/45? First, we start by doing the factors trees for each of these. So we write the numerator and the denominator, and we start with our numerator, and we ask ourselves, what times what makes 15? Well, 5 times 3. What times what gives 5? 5 and 1. What times what gives 3? 3 and 1. And once we have 1, it's 1 and done. We're done with this factor tree. Now we move on to this factor tree. What times what gives 45? Maybe 15 times 3? What times what gives 15? 5 times 3. What times what gives 5? 5 and 1. What times what gives 3? 3 and 1. What times what gives 3? 3 and 1. 1, 1, 1, 1 and done. So we see that we've drawn both of our factor trees. And now what we're going to do is identify what is the biggest number that they both have in common. It's 15. Then we take our initial fraction, 15/45, and we divide the top by 15, and we divide the bottom by 15. 15 divided by 15 is 1. 45 divided by 15 is, let's see. 45 divided by 15, 15, 30, 45. It's 3. So we see that 15/45 is equal to 1/3. So step number 1 was writing down the numerator and the denominator. Step number 2 was the factor trees. Step number 3 was finding the largest number that they both have. And step number 4 was then dividing each part by that number. Thanks.